It's a headache when your computer shuts down, but it does not turn off properly. The result is the same no matter how the computer shuts down. Here is the real solution. This method allows you to shut down your computer as quickly as possible without any unwanted software. Now let's see how we can do this. Right-click on Desktop. Click New. Select Shortcut. Type shutdown.exe /f /s /t /00. Then click Next. Now right-click on Shortcut. Select Properties. Now you can see Shutdown shortcut linked to System32 folder shutdown.exe file. Now you can change the icon of this shortcut for your convenience. Now let's see how this works. Double-click Shutdown shortcut or open Shutdown shortcut. The computer successfully shuts down. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Subscribe my channel for next video.